What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptronics. I'm going to be going over how to make money on the Binance US app for beginners in 2021. Now, this is an awesome app to be using for trading crypto. I currently use like 5 or 6 different apps, but as far as like being user friendly, being able to place quick trades, charts, things like that, I mean, this is just an amazing app. So as I'm going over it, if you guys want to get started, I'll have some bonus and sign up links in both the description and comments. I'm going to show you my account. So, currently I've got around like 2,000 in it, like 2,300. You can buy, sell, and trade around 50 different coins on here. So, I mean, the coin selection as far as like a US crypto trading app is one of the best. I mean, they have they just have an amazing selection of coins, right? So buying's very easy. There's a couple different ways you can buy. And then, of course, selling is also very easy. And fees are very low on here as well. So it's not free to use this. It's 0.5% for buying, 0.5% for selling. So, it is what it is, right? Other than, I would say, like using Robinhood or Webull, this is probably the lowest you're going to get. They also have a feature on here where you can set up recurring deposits for individual coins, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to lie. And I'm just going over the basics before we get into like the making money aspect of this. But of course, like I'm just going to pull up a quick coin here. Ethereum is going to be my example, but you could pull up charts based on like the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute. You can see like the candlesticks for buying and selling. And even if you don't know what this is, it's very important when it comes to trading, especially if you're somebody who likes to get in and out of trades. You're going to want to see these charts on a really small time frame. Being able to do it on your phone like by the 1 minute is really cool. Now they've got stop losses on here as well, which is a very powerful tool because if you ever get in the profit on a crypto after you've bought it, you usually want to lock in your profits, and setting a stop loss will automatically sell that crypto coin for you so you can lock in the profit. So stop loss is extremely important, and obviously on here they have that feature and it's very easy to use. Okay, so now we're going to get into like the money making aspect of using Binance US, and what you're going to need to do here is what's called swing trading. So I don't have a ton of money in Binance US right now, but I've used it for trading quite a bit. And basically what you want to do, and I'm just going to pull up a quick chart here on Bitcoin Cash. When you get into a crypto coin, you don't want to be buying when it's going up, right? So if I pull up like the weekly and the monthly on this, you can see that Bitcoin Cash had a huge drop in price, right? It was kind of like going up in the green quite a bit, and then it just kind of came crashing down. I think it was like it's $750. But if you're, wanting to trade crypto on like shorter time frames to make quicker money, you're going to need to be buying when it's going down. So usually it's not like right when it's going down, but if it's in the red, that is a good time to buy. So the thing you got to understand here is never buy when the coin's going up. You want to buy when it's going down. And then you want to hold for anywhere from a few days to a few weeks to sometimes a few months and wait for it to go up. Now, I'm just going to pull up Robinhood real quick because I've had some trades on here recently. And I'm not saying use Robinhood. You can if you want, but I had a pretty good trade not too long ago on Ethereum. So I was swing trading Ethereum. I forgot how much I had in it. I think like 30,000 or so, something like that. Or actually it was like 29,000. Okay, so I bought it for 29,000, and in about 3.5 weeks or so, the coin went up to the point where I locked in about $10,000 in profits. And that's what swing trading is, right? So, what you need to understand is you want to be buying when things are going down. And then when they go up, sometimes it could be 5%, 6%, 7%. You want to lock in those profits, sell, and then kind of rinse and repeat. Now, Binance US is an amazing place to trade crypto because, like I said, they have a lot of different coin options. The fees are really low, and their app is amazing for trading. Okay, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more crypto content, and we'll see you in the next one.